It is First Responders Night at Madison Square Garden. Some Rangers are wearing red sweaters for the fire department, some blue for the NYPD, and some white with blue trim for the EMTs. Tonight, the opponent with the only visit of the season for the 3-1-1 Colorado Avalanche.
Brady Skjei and Neil Pionk on defense. Puck kept in by Ian Cole. Tyson Barrie fires, save. There's a loose puck, and going for it was Colin Wilson, number 22, but he was falling down and couldn't reach it. And
the problem is
out in front, Soderberg. Pass in front, not going, save by Lundqvist. Big save on Nieto.
Boy, was that ever a save. An easy save, deflecting it to the corner.
Pionk fired a good pass up the middle, and the penalty draw.
The Rangers get the first power play of the game.
Spooner, side of the net, then Zuccarello goes up the boards. Kreider to Spooner, save Varlamov.
Wow, what a save that was.
Oh man, the Rangers firing shots for Varlamov, outstanding. Zibanejad trying to get it to Zuccarello, missed it. Shattenkirk shoots, he scores! It looks like Chris Kreider deflected it. It's a power play goal. Rangers lead 1-0. Leaves it for Rantanen. Out to Barrie. McKinnon, good pass. Rantanen shot was tipped by Landeskog, a save, and then it trickled wide. Edel was there. Girard takes over. Minute and a half to go here in the first period. Girard fell down. Zuccarello out in front off the stick. Shot by Hayes. Save. Varlamov. The scramble in front. The puck pops into the corner. Oh, Rangers do a good job forcing the turnover and getting a good scoring chance. Rangers 19 shots on goal in the first. Colorado 7. Rangers lead it 1-0. Vinny Lettieri with a keep in, he went down, out comes McKinnon. Now Rantanen fires across, Barrie shoots, saved by Lundqvist with a blocker. Back for it, Mark Stahl. Off the boards for Zuccarello, broken up by Nieto. Soderberg finds a man, Calvert save, and the rebound cleared away. Avalanche take over, Soderberg. Matt Calvert with it, with room, pass off the skate of Nieto, a save on Soderberg. Around the boards to Erik Johnson. A lot of time in the Rangers zone thus far early in the second period. Howden gets it through, Vesey to the net, save Varlamov.
Boy, what an alert play by Howden. He makes a defensive play and then quickly sends Vesey on the breakaway.
Shattenkirk on him. Wilson ridden down by Claesson, penalty upcoming.
Hayes got the stick in the skates. Yep. Hayes will go off for tripping. I think Zibanejad, Sam, got a stick on it. I think that's good defense again.
Here's McKinnon. Now Tyson Barrie, the shot, he scores! Tyson Barrie, that's what he does best. He gets that shot off from the point.
He's a very good offensive player, and he got the shot off, and I think that puck was past Lundqvist before he knew it.
McKinnon in deep, around the net. Cole fires in front off the skate. McKinnon chases it down. Pass in front, saved by Lundqvist on the shot by Landeskog. Now Shattenkirk tried to play it. Shattenkirk has it again. Pass got through, went past Zuccarello. Hayes one-times it. He scores! Wow! What a shot by Kevin Hayes!
The coach in practice saying, you're trying to be too pretty. Take the shot. Take the shot. And Hayes normally is one would rather pass first. Yeah. Boy, what a shot.
Spooner leaves it for Zibanejad. Shattenkirk winds up, big drive, save. Varlamov, save on Spooner, another save. Oh, Varlamov keeping the Rangers out on that flurry. Good number. Nieto out to the point. Long shot by Zadorov, a save. The rebound, another save. Lundqvist got the second one.
Yeah, we haven't seen many of those. I mean, the first one was a deflection by Calvert, which was a brilliant first save. And then the second one on Matt Nieto And it's a standing ovation at the Garden for that man. Everybody's standing, just about.
His teammates are banging their
I'll tell
sticks
you
on
what.
the board. And you can hear the chants for Hendrick. Hendrick, long shot, and they score! On a deflection in front. And it looks like it might be Nathan MacKinnon. And if it is, it would be 6 consecutive games with a goal. The Avalanche control the face-off, score the goal, and tie the game late for Calvert. That's broken up by Shattenkirk. Red Houghton leaves it there. Vesey with some room. Save Varlamov. Shot by Stahl. Save with a blocker by Varlamov.
Got to stay pretty hot to catch Mario.
Nice moves. Save made by Lundqvist on Rantanen.
Boy, does he have some moves. Here it is. Watch him go back the other way, turn on a dime, and then Lundqvist makes that excellent save. I mean, that's just a fabulous move by Rantanen. And Lundqvist just gets a piece.
Zuccarello swings it around to Shattenkirk. Back to Zuccarello. Out to Ryan Spooner. Shattenkirk winds up the shot. Save Varlamov. Rebound loose. And it's cleared.
Well, one job by Cole. And I'm not sure if it hit the goaltender or if Cole was able to block it while he was down on his knees.
That's the midway point of the third period. Kevin Shattenkirk. Mestikov was taken down. Here's a chance for Calvert. Saved by Lundqvist, and he holds it. Landeskog tied up by Zibanejad, who takes it away. Kreider. Mark Stahl with a wrister glove save. A minute 12 to go. Zibanejad wins it. Shot by Smith. A deflection, a save by Varlamov. Wow.
I think that hit his own man on the way in. There's a deflection by Boston. And look at his effort diving in.
By Hayes for a shot. That's blocked in front. And this one is going to overtime. Zibanejad to Zuccarello. He looks. Down low, Shattenkirk. Hayes goes in front. Zibanejad shot close. Save by Varlamov. Houghton moves in. Houghton around the net. Pass back to Shea. Looking for shooting lane. Sets up Fast. Save Varlamov. A minute 50 to go in the overtime. Outlet to Vesey. Colorado is changing. Landeskog gets on. Here comes Zibanejad. In front. Vesey trying to stuff it in. And a save by Varlamov. Oh, man. Did he ever come close? 1:05 to go in the overtime. Landeskog carries in. Feed to Kerfoot. Back to Landeskog. He hit the post. He hit the post. And it stayed out. 45 seconds to go in the overtime. Rantanen drops it off. Here comes MacKinnon. Watch out. Off the post. Another one. This one's going to a shootout. Zuccarello moves in on Varlamov and scores!
Bang, that quick, right through the legs on Varlamov.
Moving in on Lundqvist and scoring. So we are tied in the shootout against Varlamov. Shattenkirk scores!
What a shot.
Landeskog moves in on Lundqvist. Saved by Lundqvist! Rangers win! It's taken extra time twice, but the Rangers now have 2 wins on the season, both here at the Garden. One in overtime and one in a shootout.